Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a steel hand pump oiler. So I'm going to show you guys what this is and kind of how it works. Actually, it's a 2-pack of them. So here, this is what it looks like here. Look how cute this is. And so this will give you the ability to oil your devices and whatnot. Like I have my bicycle down in the garage. But it'll give me the ability to have a little hand pump for my oiler. So it looks like we have a few different tips for it. Let me cut this plastic off. And so I would say I would probably end up using this one all the time, but it's actually going to go this way. Actually, I don't even know which one I would use, but so there you go. So you have that, and then you can squirt the oil directly into the places. And then it's a little tin can, so you can just fill it up in there. The little sucker is going to be from back down there. It's got a little mini filter in it too, so it's kind of nice, so you won't get little gook and pieces in there. So if you have little pieces and parts that fall in it, you're good. And then it just kind of squeezes out, and you get a little bit at a time coming through. So a nice little oiler, pretty cool. I like it. So really good. Just for fun, I'm going to set up this other one here. I'm just going to put water in it right now and see if we can get it to spray. I'll have to clean it out really good before I go and put oil in it for sure. But let's just see how this works. So, and I'll just stick in this little tip here. And there we go. So you can see it puts out a pretty decent spray, and it's good. And it seems like it's holding it all in there. It's not leaking all over, which is nice. And it just makes it nice and convenient and super cool looking. So gonna look like a old school. Got a little thing here so I can hang it up on a nail out on my wall. So super cool. I'm guessing this thing here, maybe you turn to make it adjust it. I don't know. But super cool. And I like the little flexible spout. This will be the one I'm going to use for my bike to get into all the little pieces and parts. So super awesome, and I like it. Thumbs up for sure.